It's loaded, it's loaded.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, you got this thing loaded? Yo, hook me up.
Dragon points.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Ooh, way to go, way to go, way to go.
I didn't. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another E63 video. As you saw at the first part of the video, we pretty much assembled everything. I mean, we got everything just put together.
Yep.
The whole front end, the whole interior. Man, we're just missing a few little parts. We're just missing the exhaust that we're still looking for. The speaker. We're not gonna end up buying the speaker.
I think we're just gonna make a custom.
I'll explain why in a minute. But also, we can't really put the trunk together until we figure out why it's not lifting. And we got our electrician out here. He actually figured out a problem why this headlight wasn't working. It had some sensor problem, and he said he's gonna come out next week and he's gonna fix this as well. I guess you have to lift it, he said, by computer first, because we thought we just plug everything in, all the sensors in, and and it's just gonna lift kind of on its own, because I know that at all the older S classes this is what they do, you know.
Yeah.
So apparently this has to get lifted kind of manually by a computer first, because he said once the air runs out, you have to pump the air inside the car with the computer, which I don't know, makes sense to me, but you know, it's German cars. Let's talk about the speaker, why we're not gonna buy a new one. So how much does not a new one, a used one on eBay?
I found a used one. I was looking on eBay. The cheapest one I found was $800.
But check this out, man. This is just a box. It's empty. It's
hollow, yeah.
So it's a subwoofer for the trunk. I mean, it goes pretty nicely around the wheel well, but you don't see it anyways because it's like hidden inside where the frame is, and it's all covered with the finished panels,
the carpet panel and all that.
So it's inside. It's literally right here. So you don't see it on the inside. So we pulled the speaker out and the cover. I mean, that's in good condition. I mean, only the...
Yeah, I think it's just the corner that was busted.
The box only busted because obviously it was hit right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually either build our own box or maybe just buy a box. They're cheap, right, for a subwoofer. And just get one that actually fits perfectly inside like the subfloor.
Yeah, basically kind of where the spare tire would go, I guess you can say.
Because I don't think this counts with the spare tire. Usually it comes with run flats. So we're pretty much just gonna make our own, because there's no point paying $800, right?
Yeah.
For just an empty kind of hollow box, there's just no point.
Yeah.
Exhaust as well. We just need the exhaust from halfway to the back. I don't think we need a resonator, just the mufflers and the tips and whatever connects to the resonator. It's just pretty much straight pipe, I'm pretty sure. But that pretty much sums up everything for this car. We can't do much until we get those parts. I mean, same as the M4, we can't really do much until we get that sensor. But as you guys can see, we got a lot of things going on in here, and we got some more things coming, because we're gonna try to get more into like building custom, kind of our own fabrication.
Yeah, custom fab,
custom build something like that, instead of just rebuilding. Because rebuilding, you just order parts, do the work, frame, bond, or whatever needs to be done. But custom building, you gotta get kind of creative, you know. So
yeah, we're
gonna try to do something. Most likely with his truck, because it's like a beater. So we're gonna sacrifice his Tacoma for, you know, for see how much skills we have.
Let's do a flatbed on the Harley.
Flatbed for his Harleys or dirt bikes, whatever, all his bikes. Also, let's talk a little bit about our Hummer. I know a lot of people have been asking in the DMs, also in the YouTube comments, what happened to our Hummer. I know I said we're gonna kind of leave it off and just kind of do these cars, but we did end up selling it, and the reason for that is because, man, the guy who did our roof completely didn't only just mess up the roof, the slam back, but just messed up our whole interior.
Yeah.
As well. As you guys saw, we did like custom carpets. When he was welding, everything was just falling on the carpets.
Okay, all the sparks and everything.
Fully burned all the carpets, and there's no hope for not even a little piece left. It's fully burnt. Also, he fully burned both windshields. I know one of them had a crack, so it had to be replaced, but the other one was also burned. The job was so bad that I'm just like, you know what? I'm gonna sell this, and I'd rather just get another one and just start from the beginning.
Yeah.
Instead of starting from the beginning on that one, because we put in so much work in it, so much effort, and you know, we got somebody to do the custom fabrication for the slab back. You know, we paid him, you know, a decent amount of money for it as well. But he just completely just ruined everything. You know, at that point I would have just spent, you know, more than what it cost to just get like a regular slam back or whatever. But yeah, he totally ruined our Hummer. So, you know, we just went to the conclusion that we're just gonna go ahead and sell it and kind of put that money to better use, something that just doesn't sit there. You know what I mean? Get some builds going, man. Because we've been slow, but at the same time, we've only been slow on YouTube.
Yeah.
But behind camera, man, we got so much work.
We're putting in work, bro.
We got so much work going on. It's crazy. This is just like probably like, I don't know, like 10% of what we do, right? This guy does another 3%. You know, he's mostly in that bar area, just playing cool with himself.
I'm the heart of this whole situation.
The heart. Yo, is that a kickstand?
Is that even safe?
Yo, is that a kickstand? Hey, if you don't got the correct tool, use the wrong ones. Be a man.
What do you feel about Nas, aka Fonzie, being the employee of the month? How do you feel about that?
Who?
You!
Dude, we're gonna fire him. Tell him. He's not employee of anything.
You know what he's employee of? Employee of these nuts.
eardrums are gone. 2, there's so much smoke in here. Yo, we got fire.
Bro. Oh shit. Yo. Idiot. Damn.
Hey, I'll bring a blower, relax. I'm gonna grab it. That's not gonna do anything.
Good thing my helmet's uncovered.
Alright, so apparently I didn't know how a fire extinguisher works. That was my first one that I lit off, and that was probably by far the worst idea that I ever accomplished. So we got.
Let's just go show them.
We got quite. No, let's just keep it. Whatever happened, you know.
Yeah.
We got quite some time to clean up. So that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.